everyone, welcome back to Data Science Brain, your go-to channel for all things related to data science. Today, we have an exciting topic for beginners, the top 5 data science projects you can tackle to build your portfolio. We will show you where to find the datasets for these projects as well. Make sure to watch the video right till the end. Let's dive right in. Now before you begin, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with your friends so that everyone can watch this video and find this helpful material. Project number 1, Iris Flower Classification. Our first project is Iris Flower Classification. It's a great way to get started with classification tasks. The dataset we will use is the Iris dataset, a classic in the world of data science which can be easily found in websites like Kaggle. You can easily load it using Python libraries like scikit-learn. Project number 2 is the Titanic Survival Prediction. Again, we have another project that is quite famous in the world of data science. This project allows you to explore predictive modeling. The dataset we will use can be found on Kaggle again. So all you need to do is to head out to Kaggle's Titanic competition page and you can access it. The next one is Housing Price Prediction. Again, another project that is really famous in the world of data science. It's perfect for diving into the regression analysis. You can use the Boston housing dataset, which is conveniently available in the scikit-learn library itself. The next project is Customer Churn Analysis. It's a vital business use case. You can find customer churn datasets on various platforms including Kaggle and the UCI machine learning repository. The next project is Movie Recommendation System. And project number 5 is the Movie Recommendation System. This project combines data analysis and recommendation algorithms. You can find movie-related datasets on the MovieLens or use IMDb API. Now, I have provided links to all the datasets that is available to me in the description below. The datasets that are not available, you can find it by searching in Kaggle, or if you are unable to find any datasets, you can post that in the comments. I will try to find resources where you can find these datasets. And there you have it, our top 5 beginner-friendly data science projects along with where to find the datasets for each project. These projects are fantastic for building your data science skills and creating a robust portfolio. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our Data Science Brain for more data science content and hit that notification bell so you will never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you in the next video.